What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the graphics driver seem to be too old for Roblox error when trying to launch Roblox on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In order to fix the Roblox error, you should first of all make sure that your graphics driver is up to date. If you use the Intel integrated graphics, then search for Device Manager in your Start menu search to open it up. Expand your Display Adapters and right-click the first option in this list. Select Update Driver and then search automatically for drivers. This will take a couple of seconds to make sure that your graphics driver is up to date. For NVIDIA GPU users, simply use the GeForce Experience application to update your graphics driver. In your GeForce Experience application, navigate to the Drivers tab and click on Download. This will take a minute to download the driver, and then GeForce will automatically install it to your system. AMD users should make use of the AMD Radeon application. Lastly, you should also make sure that your DirectX version is up to date. To do so, search for DXDiag in your Start menu search to open up your DirectX Diagnostics tool. Here, in the System tab under DirectX version, you can preview your current DirectX version on your PC. If this is version 12 or 11, then you don't have to worry about getting the graphics driver error when running Roblox on your PC. If this is version 10 or lower, then make sure to download and install the latest DirectX version from the Microsoft website. Click on the DirectX link in the description below to get to this page. This will automatically download the DirectX update to your PC. Simply double-click the file and Windows will automatically install the latest DirectX version your PC can run. In case nothing helps you out, then you will have to reinstall Roblox to your PC. Search for Settings to open up your native settings application. Under Apps, select Apps and Features. Here, simply search for Roblox and sort your search by all drives. Lastly, click on the burger menu for your Roblox player and select Uninstall. To reinstall the Roblox player, navigate to roblox.com and select to play a game. Roblox will then prompt you to re-download the game, and Windows will automatically install it to your system. Restarting your PC is also a good idea, especially after installing new GPU drivers. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.